Get off me. Don't touch me.
We're recording. We're gonna make some stuff together.
Together? By together you mean me?
No, both of us.
With your cooking skills? I don't think so.
It's just fruits.
Yeah, you can't cut things for bread. I've seen you. You're terrible. You can't even cut bread properly.
Anyway, hi! Welcome to Cooking with Uraraka and
Bakugo, Kacchako. You can call me Lord Explosion Murder.
No,
or King
no one's
Explosion
gonna
Murder.
call you that. No one's
or
gonna...
the future #1 hero.
No one is gonna...
Yes!
No!
That's what I am. Don't touch me.
Fine, okay. Just...
With your little toe bean finger. No. Do not. I will end your bloodline.
You know, I could just... You know...
Yeah, and I'd rock it down with my explodey hands.
Okay,
and get
okay,
you right.
Okay. Jesus Christ.
Why do you want me here? What, so I can cut the things for you? So
No,
you don't have to?
no, we're making this together. It's a cooking show. We've also got cream cheese.
When did you start a cooking show?
Now.
How the fuck do you know that I like cream cheese?
No.
Are you stalking me?
No.
That's weird.
What do we start with? We got a plate! Ah!
Look how pathetic you are.
Screw you! Don't hit me.
You can if you want to. Okay, so we have knives.
Yes.
Do you trust me with knives, right? Yeah? Okay, great.
First, these you can do.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you scared about cutting a fucking strawberry?
No. I'm scared that you might
Stab you? I'm trying to be a hero, not a villain. If I was trying to be a villain, I would have already killed you.
Oh. Actually, you would have already killed Deku.
That bitch is very annoying. You don't understand my hatred towards him.
Oh no, I do.
No, you don't. You're all buddy-buddy with him, like you're best friends. Well, you are. I think that's a fucking lie. Don't cut it like that. You have to watch me. Look at me. The tip of the knife down so you don't cut your fingers off. You're still not listening to me.
Just let me.
Uraraka.
What? Okay, fine, I'll do it.
Look like this. Look.
I don't like cutting like that.
Oh, well, boo-hoo. I'm sorry. I'm just looking out for your safety, which I don't do for many people. Do you want this into cubes or just, like, straight lines?
Do you want it in cubes?
What the fuck do you want? I'm not eating this.
Oh, I guess cubes.
Look at him. You don't have to be difficult about it. Jesus.
What? I wasn't being difficult.
You're always difficult.
You're being difficult.
I am not.
Yes, you are. You're always difficult.
Excuse you?
Nothing.
That's what I thought. So you want to talk to me, or you just want to keep cutting fucking fruits in silence?
How's your curious?
Well, okay, 1, he's fucking annoying. 2, he won't leave me alone. 3, he was in my room at 3 in the morning because he wouldn't leave.
Oh, that's interesting to hear. You guys were in a room together at 3 in the morning. Okay, hey, calm down. I guess you're just gonna turn them into crumbs now.
I'll turn you into crumbs.
No, please don't.
Like exploding, like ash.
Please don't.
Crumbs. That'd be fun.
Please no. You're scaring me.
Good.
I don't like it when you're
I
scaring
might
me.
have cut these too small.
I see that. We're gonna be eating out of handfuls.
Fuck you.
Screw you.
No.
I think one's enough. Just put the fridge. Stop! Don't cut me.
No. You stop annoying me.
Okay, yeah, that's enough watermelon. Stop! No! Throw that.
I'm doing some malicious compliance.
Garbage. Oh god. Kill me already.
Someone's at the door. It's death. That's a fucking mess.
Okay.
Do you have kitchen towels? Paper towels?
Yeah.
I'll just use my fucking hand. Where's you been? I don't know. I don't live in this.
What are you doing? That's so wet.
I have to dye Shakira's hair, so like, I don't care. I've gotten bleach burned on my hands before. I don't.
Dye whose hair?
Shakira. Kirsten.
Oh, you dye his hair?
Yeah, he's not a natural redhead. Do not call me cute ever again.
Well, you are. Don't. No. I'm sorry. I take it back.
You're looking all fucking nice. Still put this back in the fridge? Where's this best?
Wait, no. Wait, you gotta look. Stop over it.
Do I? I could hit you in the face with the watermelon slice, but I'm not going to. Because that's, the principal likes to put it, unnecessarily violent. Yeah. Say sorry all you want. Just stop. Just. This is.
Yeah.
Don't cut yourself while I'm gone.
I'm not. Just pushing the watermelon further on the plate.
What did I do? Did I not do a good enough job for your
No.
princess standards?
No.
Okay, do you want me to cut the orange? Ah, God, this watermelon is on
The orange?
my nice.
Do you want to cut the orange?
Sure. Don't give a fuck. Do you have a problem with me taking the hoodie off?
No.
Good.
You should eat this whenever we're done. You haven't eaten in a long time.
Don't want to eat. Eating's for fucking nerds.
Well,
I'm gonna do this. You can't stop me.
the rings.
Yeah. You should put them on your eyes so that it hurts. Do you not know me? I'm mean, apparently. People have told me that I'm mean. I'm not mean. I'm truthful.
In a rude manner. Sorry. I'm just being truthful. Sorry. Stop hurting.
Stop being rude to me.
I wasn't being rude to you. You're being rude to me.
Fucking done with you.
Okay.
You annoy. You know what? I'm gonna say you annoy me more than Deku. You do, and that's the harsh truth. Cause Deku has the. He will just leave me alone. You dragged me here against my will to chop up
Do you
these.
want me to leave?
No.
Then I'll stay. Okay, I think that might be enough oranges.
Fuck you too.
What? Why'd you put them in rings?
Because I wanted to annoy you. That's a gross. Oh, that makes such a gross noise. What? I really do hate that noise, and I'm gonna.
No, we could cut these in half, right? Hey! Well, I guess it's working away somehow.
Do you know how I was so good at cutting that? I imagined Deku's face on them. Why are you recording this though?
I'm recording this because it's gonna go on
On what?
the Cool Kids channel.
That sounds like a really
This
nerdy
is-
loser name. I wonder who can. Oh, maybe did you come up with it, or was it for us, or was it half? Was it daddy issues, like half and half, or was it
It's my
Decky?
idea.
Oh my god! Of course it fucking was. That was a dumb name. That was that's dumb.
Excuse me.
Oh, nah. Yeah, you're excused.
So you want me to leave and let you do this all on your own?
I'm gonna be mad if you did.
Well, then behave. Okay.
You're dumb. Look at your dumb face. You should have seen your face's price.
Screw you. I see your face every day and it's priceless.
Are you flirting with me?
No.
Cheeks, get back here.
I'm sitting.
Cheeks. Oh,
That's
if you,
my.
if you kick your feet around the knives, you're gonna really hurt yourself. Pathetic. No one wants to see that. No one. Wait, no, we don't have any line. Give me a third.
No, I did not agree to that part, the F word.
You are probably saying fuck.
No, I meant agreeing to it.
What? You have to. I have to ask consent to you if I want to say fuck. Okay, so Angel Face made a absolute mess.
Actually, that's your mess.
Actually, it's you,
Pomeranian.
Kirby.
Dandelion.
The hell did you just call me?
Dandelion.
You saying I'm cute?
No.
Because that's basically what you're implying.
No.
Why should I shut up?
You're not cute.
Did you say I'm not cute?
You're annoying.
You pissed me off.
Piss me off.
You pissed me off.
Piss me off.
Didn't think you could curse, but here you are. You're welcome. Why do you hate me?
Because you're rude to everyone, especially Deku. He didn't do anything
He
wrong.
deserves it.
No!
He's a weak little nerd who's obsessing over all night. My room is a fucking all night shrine. And then he's writing this.
He's a big fan, okay?
He's writing in this little notebook all the things. If he turns into a villain, we're all screwed. He has our strengths, weaknesses, all down.
He's smart.
Do you know why I'm mean to him? I'm scared of him.
Oh, you're scared of a little boy?
He's like 2 inches shorter than me. I don't care. He's a shrimp. I could squish.
And you're
Oh, this was recording? Delete it. Delete that.
No. If you don't mind, I'm gonna do dishes.
I don't mind at all. I'm going to my room. Do not contact me for 2 days
You're not
because I
going
don't want to
anywhere.
talk to you because I've had enough of you.
You're not
I'm
going
leaving.
anywhere. Come back here.
No.
Alright, see you then. So, how are y'all viewers doing? He's, obviously a very angry Pomeranian. If he comes back, he's probably, hopefully not gonna hear this. He's weak. He's not really a good person either.
Hey, Jinx, is it still recording?
No.
Okay. sorry, I mean to.
What are you
walking? I'm sorry, I mean to you. It's my defense mechanism.
It's
I don't
okay.
want to be mean to you. You're like my favorite person. You're nice to me. What are you doing? I swear, if it's recording,
It's not recording, I promise.
if I look, is it gonna be recording?
No, it's just the camera's on, but there's nothing.
Do you promise me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Alright.
Come to my room in 2 hours. No questions asked.
Okay. Stop!
Cheeks,
Yeah?
can you come here?
Yeah, hold on. Just grabbing a little bowl. Don't stumble. You good?
I'm just watching.
Why?
Why is it jiggly?
I don't know.
I'm sorry. You sure?
I know that you're just nervous on camera anyway.
I'm not nervous.
Oh,
I'm not weak.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not.
Look at you, you're soft boy right now.
Well, because I'm wearing a hoodie.
No, because you're acting.
And I
soft.
said sorry.
Yeah.
I take it back. Don't see me ever again.
Okay.
I don't want to. I'll
What
see
were
you
you
at school.
planning? What were you planning in 2 hours?
Nothing.
Mm-hmm. Romance. What? I'm gonna send this to everyone at UA. Oh my god. He's so soft. He's nice. He's nice on the inside. Deku, he doesn't. Hopefully.
You know I can hear you, right?
Talking to myself.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Talking to myself.
If it was recording the entire time, I'd expect you to delete it and never post it.
I already
Ever.
deleted it.
Oh, so it was you were lying?
Wait, no. No.
Can you stop acting like I'm always going to hit you?
I need to close this. It's not.
It looks closed.
No, it's not though.
I think you're just
No, just
procrastinating.
look.
What looks?
Nothing.
You're stupid.
I know.
You're not going to deny it?
No.
What happened to you?
Nothing.
Give me your hand. I'm not gonna hurt you, I promise. That's the most stupidest what's coming. If you float me
I'm not
right now, I would
No,
I would punch you in the face. If you punch someone's nose in the right spot, you can actually kill them.
Ow.
Because
I didn't need to know
your nose fractures and it can go into your brain, and then that kills you.
that. I didn't need to know that.
So like, I could just nose punch Deku and then it could be an accident.
No. That's second-degree murder.
Second degree? I give him second degree burns.
Don't hurt him.
Why not?
He's a good friend.
Oh, you have a crush on the broccoli.
No, I don't.
No, that's really gross.
Shut up!
He's a fucking loser. Really? Alright. Whatever you say,
Why are you touching my clothes?
because they're everywhere, and I'm cleaning your room for you because you obviously don't have any standards.
Why are you in my room? Come down here and eat. You need food.
Sure.
Have an apple.
Why the fuck are there balloons in your room?
Don't worry about that. Just have an apple. Or something. Eat some of this. It's good. Not with your finger.
This tastes disgusting. It's sweet, but it's not. Ew.
Come on, have some.
No.
Kyle,
I don't like watermelon.
eat it.
I'm not hungry. I don't like grapes. I don't like strawberries. No. Do not.
Open up. Open. Teeth.
You're treating me like a baby.
Thanks. Eat. Open.
You're so dumb.
Open.
You are so dumb.
Open your mouth.
No.
I'll admit that I'm dumb if you open your mouth.
No. You don't even need to admit that I know you're dumb.
Hey! Just eat. Just get it in your mouth. In. In.
I hate you.
Open.
I hate you.
Open.
I hate
I
you.
know. Open.
I hate you.
You hate everyone. Open your mouth.
I hate you less than everyone else.
Thank you. Open your mouth.
No.
Just once, please. Just this one apple. No, the whole thing. Get it in your hand and eat.
I don't know why you're doing this to me.
Eat! Eat! Please! Come on!
You turned violent. Ow!
Sorry! Just open your mouth. Eat it, please. It's an apple. Come on.
I'll bite your fingers if you keep doing
No.
that. I will.
Just,
You have small fingers.
I'm gonna drop it, please. Just thank you.
Only because you asked me to. And I don't hate you.
Thank you. Jeez.
Take it as a compliment.
I know.
It's a fucking shitty day, isn't it?
I like the rain.
I don't like the rain because it makes me cold and then I can't sweat and then I can't blow people up. So, how are you, I guess?
I'm good. I mean, it makes me chuckle a bit, the fact that your fangs are fake.
What?
They're on the floor.
I don't fucking care. Why do you tolerate me? You tolerate me. The only person who tolerates me is G hair and Dun's face. Maybe elbows.
Why do you give everyone stupid nicknames?
Because if I don't use their names, it shows that I don't care about them.
What's my nickname?
Multiple. You have multiple nicknames, but I don't.
So you hate me that much?
Do you want to hear them?
Mm-hmm.
Cheeks, pink cheeks, round face. Face. Angel face.
Huh?
Nothing.
Say it.
What? What? I didn't hear what you said.
Say it.
I already did.
No, I didn't hear you.
Angel face.
Speak up. Come on!
Angel face!
Oh.
Can you please just leave me the fuck alone now? Thank you. I don't know why you're making me eat this. I'm not hungry. Don't look at me like that. Don't tell me what to do.
Fine.
What did you say about me?
Nothing.
Shit, that's what I think.
Would you stop using foul language?
No. Can't make me.
Why?
I won't stop.
Why?
It's fun. Plus, if it annoys people, I'll gladly do it. See, it annoys you, so that's why I do it.
Why do you want to annoy me?
Because it's fun. Call me immature all you want. It's fun.
Why is it fun? It's impolite to do to people.
You don't understand the reactions that people make. Amazing. Your face right now? Priceless. It always is, but you know. And like, when we first started UA and everyone was like, hey, insert extra I don't care about's name here. And I didn't care, obviously. So, and then when I first gave everyone the names that I, you know, like Cheeks, Half and Half, Icy Hot as well.
Because you like him?
No, fuck no. He's the worst person I've ever met. His daddy issues. He has mommy and daddy issues. How can you eat that? It's so gross. You know that Dunce face called me Gordon Ramsay once? It's not funny. It's not funny. It's not funny.
Mm-hmm.
It's not funny. You agreeing with me that it's not funny? Oh, fuck you. I hate you. I hate you so much. What? You think I'm that?
Eat. Eat.
You're pathetic.
Screw you.
Not you.
Not you. Wait, half for what?
God, you're really dense. You know that? You don't understand half of the jokes I make purely because you're too innocent for them.
What jokes?
Majority of the jokes I make.
You mean the ones that me and Deku don't understand?
Yeah, those ones.
You're bad at making jokes.
Excuse you? Says you. You just give people like corny, cheesy puns that you found off of probably Google or something.
Oh, why'd the chicken cross the road?
Why did the chicken cross the fucking road?
To get to the other side.
God, I hate you.
You're laughing?
I am not.
You're smiling.
I am not.
Yeah, you are.
Nope.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Look at me in the face and tell me that I'm smiling.
You
What?
are.
Yeah, can you explain to me why you have so many balloons in your room?
Oh, that, I don't know. Hey! Trying to eat here. Of the food that we made together.
What the fucking food that you made and the great food that I made?
What's the difference? It's the same food.
Well, you are terrible at it, and I'm good.
But we're not even cooking. We're just cutting up fruits.
Yeah, and I'm better at using a knife than you.
Yeah, probably for other purposes. Ow!
That was a balloon. How did that hurt you?
It didn't. I got scared.
Well, you said ow.
I say that sometimes.
You're dumb.
No!
I hate you.
Have an orange.
No, I don't like oranges.
You don't like anything.
I'm eating these because you forced me to.
Because you haven't eaten in a long time.
Because I don't want to eat.
Well, you should. It's
That's
not
who?
healthy. The gods above who made us.
You haven't told me to do anything yet, so. Really, you have a low pain tolerance, don't you? What?
Ah! What was that? Oh, that's my hair. I actually. What?
I hate your guts.
What?
Do you want some constructive criticism?
Huh?
Would you like some constructive criticism? Fucking God, you're a child. Fucking toothpaste. Why are you giving me direct eye contact? That's weird. I'm not hungry anymore. I'm not hungry anymore.
Why'd you look up and down at me?
So I want to.
Why?
Your outfit's ugly.
Excuse me! I think in my defense, I look great.
Sure. I think you're wrong.
For what reason?
You think you look... How do you think you look?
Fabulous.
Fabulous? Well, that's wrong. Do you know why?
Why?
Because I think you look beautiful.
What?
No.
Say it.
Just accept the fucking compliment. I'm gonna go back to my room. I'm gonna go back to my room because this conversation is going nowhere.
Okay. Oh, wait. Before you go, sit down. Don't look where you're going either.
I don't know what you're putting. You are such a child! Your sense of humor is so low. It's
What?
underground.
That was funny.
No, it was not.
Deku would have laughed.
That's because Deku's a loser.
You dare call him a loser. What's that?
A piece of fluff. I don't want to put my hands in this because it tastes of... Oh God, I got my hands. It tastes like lotion.
It does?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
How does that taste like lotion?
It just tastes... It tastes like...
How do you know what lotion tastes like?
I used to be a child.
Yeah, and you're calling me and Deku children.
No, when I say child, I mean like I was 5 years old.
Look
once.
at what you're doing. Okay.
Never touch my hair again. I hate you. I almost choked on the apple slices that are in my teeth.
How do you... What?
They got stuck in my teeth and I just went like this. And then it all just went down my throat and I started to choke.
Ah! Hey, you're laughing.
You're dumb. I laugh at dumb people. I also laugh at kids getting hurt. It's so funny.
That's just me.
Kids getting hit in the face with like a baseball bat. Amazing.
That's mean.
I hate kids. They're so fucking dumb.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, did you just say why?
No.
What did you say?
Son of a boy.
I didn't hear what you said. You're being dumb.
Oh boy.
You got very close to my face.
See you laughing again.
God. Hate your guts. You're
You're
so
smiling.
dumb. I smile at people being absolute idiots. God, my vision looks like I feel seasick. Fuck you. I hate you. Wait.
So, are we done with this?
I'm not hungry, so you can eat it if you want it.
If not, I'll go throw it in the garbage.
Hold on.
So you are hungry.
She's turning. Face the wall.
Don't question it.
Okay.
Your hair's dumb.
So is yours.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it
They're
is.
cool. Tell me why my hair's dumb, and I'll tell you why it's not.
It's too spiky.
My hair is perfect level of spike. It's enough to stab people.
That's not a good reason.
Yes, it is. I like violence. Can you tell?
Yeah. Oh.
Hey, look. It reminds me of your dumb face. Do you know why?
Why?
Because it's round.
So what?
Nothing really. Don't look at it like that. It's on the wind. Why are you laughing like a child? You just hit it. You're down. Oh, ew. I haven't touched the ground yet. Try it. Are you biting it?
Mm-hmm.
What monster are you? Just try this one. It tastes different. It's got like rice, crispy things in it. I don't know. Do you want another one? Okay.
You have your own. I guess I'll not be a monster.
Thank you. So you know the thing that you recorded?
Mhm.
Can you delete all the ones that, like, just previously happened? I want you to know that I'm soft. And fucking look at me like that. You're pathetic. What, did you just point at me?
Mm-mm.
What are you doing?
Nothing. I was doing the cha-cha slide.
God, you're dumb. You're so dumb. You sound like Jackie. Crying like a fucking child. Fucking shut up. I'm tired. Leave me alone. My throat just made the weirdest fucking noise.
I heard that.
I can just see your chin. That's all I can see right now.
Look at my nostrils.
That's really hard.
That's my chest.
Yeah, I know, but your arms are here. You don't know something? I think you're pretty. I like you. You're nice to me. No one's really nice to me. And when they say
Ah! Ah! There's a spider in the water!
Where? Where's the spot? Oh, fuck. That's a monster of a spider. Ruining the goddamn moment, Mr. Spider. I hate you. What can I use to kill? Oh. Do you want me to go slam it to the ground? Do you want me to do it? Stop. Wait, no, give it. Oh my god, it's really big. It's dead. It's dead. It's definitely dead now. Do you want to just...
Oh, what is that? A whoopee cushion?
I can't reach it. Can you? I can't reach it. Wait, no, I can. We tried to film it. We've tried to film the end, but that one spider interrupted us, and we were too scared to film the rest. So we just changed cosplays and went on with the day, but that's really how it ends. Have a lovely day, and I will see you guys in another video. Sayonara!